Hello there. Let's take a look at how we can implement row-level security on the universe that I created earlier. And for this particular scenario, we are going to use table-based security. So what I mean is we are going to go off of a security table that we have in the database. The schema that you see here is pretty similar to what I had before. And what's new here is this security table. Basically, I have two columns in the table, and the security is based off of the country ID. And I have defined a few users here. As an example, say NG Americas, AMER, it stands for Americas, where the user is supposed to see country 4 and 5, and 4 and 5 would mean USA and Canada. The user APJ is supposed to see 2 and 3, which is Japan, India, and actually 8 also China. Global user is supposed to see all the countries, that's all the regions, and so we do have 8 records for the global user in the security table. So let's get into the information design tool, open up the universe from earlier, so my sales universe. Okay, let me go to the data foundation. Now we need to insert the security table since it's not here, so right click, insert table. Okay, from the list here, should have the table called security, sales security. Select that, say finish. Now I'm going to join my security table to the sales fact table based on the country ID. Detect the cardinality. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, now let's go to the business layer. Now over here, what I'm going to do is create a filter. So right click here and say new filter. Let's call this filter row level security, and we go to the where clause. I'm going to say sales security username equal to, from system variables here we select the BO user. Basically what this will return is the name of the user who has logged in into the system. Let me go ahead and validate this. The expression is valid. Save it. Let's go ahead and export the business layer. I'll next log in into the launchpad. Let's log in with user Naresh. Go to a report, say it's security test, which is nothing but bringing in all the objects from the universe, and I'm going to say view. The report has refresh on open set on it, and it says no data to retrieve. So let's see what happened here. The security is working. That's what happened. You see, we do not have a user called Naresh, and so the user sees no data. Basically, there's no user called Naresh in the security table. So let's try and change this to global. go into the same report. Go into the same report here, say security and say view. And now you see data for all the regions. Quickly take a look at USA. We're supposed to see USA data. View. So as per this, the user USA should see data only for country 4, which is USA. Likewise, if you were to log in with any of the other users, let's say NAAPJ, again with the APJ user, see up here is the APJ user, and go to the report, view the report. This user will see only the countries in APJ, which is the 3 countries, China, India, and Japan, which is what we see in our security table, the APJ user. So there you go, the security is implemented. One other quick thing I would like to add here is about the row level security filter that you have created here. By default, it is applied on the universe, which would mean that anytime you do any reporting using any of the objects, it's going to apply this filter. If you do it only on the folder level, it's going to apply the filter only on the objects in this particular folder. Uh, uh, so that's it about that, and thank you for watching. Hope it was helpful.